Hello and welcome back to the channel.
If you're wondering where to go in March, you're in the right place.
From stunning cherry blossoms to colorful festivals and fiery celebrations, this is one of the best months for travel.
So grab your passport because today we're talking about the top destinations and events that you don't want to miss in March.
Let's get into it. Welcome to World Wanderers.
We're Alicia and Will.
Come wander the world with us.
March is a prime time for cherry blossoms, and you have two amazing destinations to experience them: Washington, D.C. and Japan.
In Washington, D.C., the National Cherry Blossom Festival kicks off in mid-March and lasts into April.
These gorgeous pink and white blossoms surround the tidal basin and create a pretty breathtaking sight.
There are parades, cultural performances, and even a kite festival.
If you want to see peak bloom, plan your visit around the last week of March or the first week of April.
Now, if you want to experience cherry blossoms on a whole other level, Japan is the place to go.
Cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka all burst into color with cherry blossoms known as sakura.
Locals celebrate with hanami, which means flower viewing, by having picnics under the trees with friends and family.
Some of the best spots include Shinjuku-gyon in Tokyo and Maruyama Park in Kyoto.
Trust us, this is a bucket list experience you won't forget.
Next up, we have one of the most vibrant festivals in the world, Holi.
Celebrated mainly in India and Nepal, Holi marks the arrival of spring and is all about love, joy, and color.
This year, Holi will be celebrated on Friday, March 14th.
If you want the ultimate Holi experience, head to Mathura and Vrindavan in India.
These cities are legendary for their Holi celebrations, with days of music, dancing, and playful color fights.
Another fantastic place to celebrate is Jaipur, where festivals take place over the streets, making an incredible photo op.
Nepal's capital, Kathmandu, also hosts epic Holi festivals, especially in the area around Durbar Square.
Just be ready to get completely covered in bright powders. It's all part of the fun.
From color to fire, let's head to Spain for one of the craziest festivals of the year, Las Fallas in Valencia.
This fiery festival takes place from March 1st to the 19th and is all about massive artistic sculptures called ninots, which are displayed around the city.
But the real highlight, on the final night, they set these giant sculptures on fire.
Expect fireworks, street parties, parades, and a whole lot of noise.
If you love high energy events and spectacular sights, Las Fallas is a must-see.
You can't talk about March without mentioning St. Patrick's Day.
And while you can celebrate it all over the world, nothing compares to experiencing it in Ireland.
Dublin throws one of the biggest St. Patrick's Day festivals with a massive parade, live music, and events happening throughout the city.
This year, the festival will take place between March 15th and 17th.
If you want a more traditional experience, head to smaller towns like Kilkenny or Galway, where you'll find authentic Irish culture and plenty of good Irish crack, which means fun in Irish slang.
And of course, no St. Patrick's Day trip is complete without a visit to an Irish pub for some Guinness and live folk music.
If you're in the United States, Boston, Chicago, and Savannah also have amazing St. Patrick's Day celebrations.
And finally, we're off to the Netherlands to witness one of the most beautiful flower displays in the world, tulip season.
March marks the beginning of tulip bloom, and the best place to see them is Keukenhof, just outside Amsterdam.
This world-famous garden opens in mid-March and features over 7 million tulips in every color imaginable.
But if you want a more scenic experience, rent a bike and explore the flower fields of Lis. It's like riding through a rainbow. So there you have it, the best places to travel in March.
Whether you want to see cherry blossoms, throw colors at Holi, watch the giant fires in Spain, party on St. Patrick's Day, or explore the endless tulip fields, March is an incredible month to explore the world.
Which destination is at the top of your list? Let us know in the comments.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Safe travels.